Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm here to discuss today's newspaper. Basically, I have reading the Hindu. I'm covering here the Hindu news article regarding election commission, Russia Ukraine war, the Lake Kashmir, issues of delimitation, National Education Policy 2020, Work Board, landslide. First article I am uh, here to discuss the election commission. Like, headline of the news are election commission invites party for talk to strengthening poll process. ये जो है ये पॉइंट बेसिकली ये न्यूज आर्टिकल में ही मेंशन था. Invites election commissions invites leader of all parties to interact further, uh, strengthening electoral processes. Issue to duplicate electoral photo identity card, highlight large-scale voter list manipulation during Maharashtra election. ये राहुल गांधी has raised the questions. ये इसको टेकल करने के लिए how can you tackle this these aspects? So some laws are present in article Representation of Peoples Act 1950 and 51, Recognition of Electoral Rules 1960, Conduct of Election Rules 1961, and Model Code of Conduct. Commission said strengthen electoral process to accordance of the established law. State level management, basically state election commissions of India meets and manage these issues to small parties like नेशनल पार्टी वर्सेज स्टेट पार्टी. तो वो सबसे मिल करके he could further find something. Election Commission of India, a permanent and independent constitutional authority under Article 324, conducting election of parliament, state legislature, office of president and vice president, not conducting of पंचायत इलेक्शन एंड local bodies election. दोनों इलेक्शन both elections are conducted by state election commissions. Constitutional provision Article 324 empower to Election Commission of India to supervise, direct, control to preparation of electoral roll and conduct to elections to parliament and state legislature. Article 325 ensure no one is excluded from electoral roll based on religion, sex, race and caste. Article 326 establish adult franchise, मतलब age of 18 and above has right to vote. एक अमेंडमेंट आया था, आप वो याद रखना. Article 327 allow to parliament to make laws regarding elections, parliament and state legislature. पार्लियामेंट पंचायत के लिए लॉज नहीं बनाती है. पंचायत इलेक्शंस और लोकल बॉडीज इलेक्शंस के लिए लॉ स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर बनाता है अंडर आर्टिकल 328. Here Article 328 empowered state legislature to make provision related election within states. Article 329 prohibit judicial interference in electoral matters. Function of Election Commission of India, they have been three three functions: advisory role, quasi-judicial role, and administrative role. Election Commission of India advise President or Governor. President in national matter, in Parliament, or state governor for a state legislative assemblies. Matters related disqualification of members of Parliament and state legislature, especially in case of involving corrupt electoral practices. Quasi-judicial role: Election Commission disqualify candidates. Administrative role: prepare electoral rolls, scheduling election date, voter registrations. President of India जो होता है वो he appoints chief election commissioner and 2 election commissioners, basically three members, 1 or 2. Serve term has been 6 years or age of 65. दोनों में से पहले जो हो जाए. रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ पीपल एक्ट 1950. Purpose: allocation of seat to Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies and state legislative councils. Disqualification and qualifications of voters. Preparation of electoral rolls. रशिया यूक्रेन वार देखते हैं. बेसिकली यूक्रेन एग्रीज टू 30 days सीज फायर. 30 days ceasefire for a mutual agreement of parties. Basically, they both countries want to end the war. Border with Russia, Norway, Finland, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Azerbaijan, Poland, Belarus, Ukraine, Georgia, Kazakhstan, China, Mongolia, North Korea. Total 14 countries. नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल देखते हैं. डल लेक इन कश्मीर. सिचुएटेड इन कश्मीर, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में, सराउंडेड बाय पीर पंजल माउंटेन. ये जब माउंटेन का सीरीज करेंगे तो उसमें पढ़ेंगे इसको, पीर पंजल को. क्वेश्चन यहाँ से भी आता है. सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट लेक इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. द लार्जेस्ट lake of Jammu and Kashmir is Ullar. Ullar Lake, Kashmir. It is a fresh water lake in Kashmir, known as Jewel in Crown of Kashmir. The lake is popular for floating market, a floating garden known as Rad इन कश्मीरी. फ्लोटिंग गार्डन को ही राड बोला जाता है कश्मीरी में. ड्यूरिंग विंटर सीजन टेम्परेचर समटाइम्स रीचेज एट -11 degree centigrade. देन लेक वाज फ्रीज. इशूज और डिलिमिटेशन. Delimitations mean process of fixing limits or boundaries to territorial constituencies in countries or provinces having a legislative body. Delimitation commissions is a high powered body who appoint the president. President appoint have a constitutional power. तो yes, Article 82 और Article 170 in India. Delimitation Commission has been constituted 4 times: 1952, 1963, 1973, 2002. primary focus on delimitation commission to redraw the boundaries of various assemblies and Lok Sabha constitution. ये जो होता है ना, ये delimitation commissions basically follow the population census. Constitutional provision, yes, article 82. Article 82, Parliament Article 170, State Legislative Assemblies of each state. Significance of delimitations commissions. It has ensured fair representation in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, upholding democratic principle, one citizen, one vote, and one value, ensuring equitable distribution of seat among different regions after population shift. Delimitation determines the allocation of reserved seat for caste schedule and scheduled tribes. आर्टिकल शेड्यूल कास्ट एंड शेड्यूल ट्राइब्स का आर्टिकल 330, आर्टिकल 330 और आर्टिकल 332. Population concern related to delimitations commissions. Population has deciding factor, then it creates regional disparity, north versus south and versus north versus south. Basically only 18% of country's population contributes 35% of country's GDP, because North India per capita income has very low as compared to South India. Adequate funding, southern state losing funding and representation in parliament. Affecting reservation for SC and STs. SC and STs का आर्टिकल 330 and 332 है. Delimitation commission is appointed by President of India and its work with collaboration with election commissions of India. Composition, one Supreme Court का रिटायर्ड जज होता है. चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर होता है और रिस्पेक्टिव स्टेट इलेक्शन कमिश्नर्स. इंटरनेशनल प्रैक्टिस रिलेटेड डिलिमिटेशंस USA. In USA and Denmark population is around 60 lakhs, but having 15 seats. Each seats have equal populations, around 4 lakhs per seat. In the USA, population of country increased almost 4 times comparing to 1911. Seats are redistributed after every census for the method of equal proportion. Denmark, we can discuss. Denmark before 60 lakhs, 15 seats to 4 lakhs per seat. In Germany, you can also Germany has 8 lakhs per seat. Means we can calculate the population of Germany has 8 CR and the number of seats there have 98. National Education Policy 2022. Basically, this is the article's headline in Hindu. Tamil Nadu CM prize DMK MPs for their fighting spirit in Lok Sabha, because because opposition of national education policy. This has mentioned in article. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister S.K. Stalin opposed new education policy 2020. They they said educational growth in Tamil Nadu has crushed. Center would give fund about 2,000 crore due to Tamil Nadu if we accept Hindi and Sanskrit. Attempting to, and he also said in another paragraph, attempted to privatizing education create situation where education would only for the rich people. अभी क्या है अभी now situation has same. Introduce entrance exam line of NEET for young children and students of arts and science engineering disciplines, and give more authority to union government. Just he said all exams are conducted in a centralized based, and then state shall lose his authority. National education policy. These paragraphs are exactly copied by the National Education Policy documented released by ministry. National education is fundamental for achieving full human potential, developing a equitable and just society, and promoting national development. Providing universal access to quality education is a key to India's continued and leadership on a global stage in terms of economic growth, social justice and equality, scientific advancement, national integration and cultural preservation. SDG गोल 4 है ये एजुकेशन को लेकर के सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट adopted by India in 2015 seek to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote livelihood learning opportunity for all. National education policy, these are used in essays, philosophical aspect of essay. Education policy lays the particular emphasis on the development of creative potential of each individual. It is based on a principle of education must develop not only cognitive capacity, both the foundational capacity of a literacy, numeracy, and higher order of cognitive capacities, such as development of critical thinking and problem solving, but also social, ethical, and emotional capacities and dispositions. ये आपका ये philosophical content rich heritage of ancient and internal Indian knowledge have thought has a guiding lighting for the policy. The knowledge, Gyan, wisdom, pragya, and truth was always considered the Indian thought and philosophy of highest human goal. The aim of education in ancient India was not just a acquisition of knowledge as preparation for life in the world or life beyond schooling, but for the complete realization and liberalization of the self. ये रामायण और महाभारत का एस्पेक्ट में कृष्ण और श्री राम का कॉन्टेक्स्ट में ये बोल रहे हैं। उसके बाद में in ancient India there are the most prominent personality like and institute like Takshashila, Nalanda, Vikramshila, Vallavi set up the highest standard of multidisciplinary teaching and research and hosted scholars and students from across background. Indian education system produced great scholars such as Charak, Sushrut, Aryabhat, Vahamihir, Bhaskara, Brahmagupta, Chanakya, Chakrapani Datta was a general physician, Gargi, Shankardev, Nagarjun, Gautama, Patanjali, Panani, basically ये subject of mathematics, astronomy, metallurgy, medical science and surgery, civil engineering, architecture, shipbuilding, navigation, yoga, fine art, chess, and many more. This is that exactly deal right on essays, and many of essay topics has asking uh, asking in UPSC exams. This could be delivered. ये next paragraph ये have having the teacher regarding the teacher in ethics. This is deals in ethics. And teacher must be at the center of fundamental reform in an education system. The education policy must help re-establish teachers at all levels as the most respected and essential members of our society, because they truly shape our next generation of citizens. It must be everything to empower teachers and help them to do their jobs as effectively as possible. The new education policy must help recruit the very best and brightest of enter of the teaching profession at all levels by ensuring livelihood, respect, dignity, and autonomy, um, while also listening the system basic method of quality and control of accountability. The one topics in ethics paper, the role of teachers. This can add there. National National Education Policy 2020 is the first education policy in 21st century. प्रीवियस पॉलिसी को वो रिप्लेस किए थे। 5 फंडामेंटल पिलर्स है। 3A EQ, एक्सेस, affordability and accountability, equity and quality. Aim to transform India to vibrant knowledge society and global knowledge superpower by making both school and college education more holistic, flexible and multidisciplinary approach to aim to bringing out of the unique capabilities of each student. National policy on education, Kothari Commission, recommendation of Kothari Commissions पर हुआ था based 1968 1968 and focus on providing education to all sections of society, promoting primary education, establishing new open universities. and 2020 NEP का ये चार पॉइंट है। फोकस ऑन होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, डिस्कशंस एंड एनालिटिकल लर्निंग, इंटीग्रेशन of vocational education, emphasize on technological enabled learning like digital tools and platforms a flexible of multidisciplinary curriculum, transfer of credit, multiple entries and exist system, target what we can target to achieve in this national education policy, universalization of education, inclusive and equitable education system by 2030. Bring back 2 crore children to mainstream through the open schooling system. Next, we can discuss Waqf Board, Waqf Bill. All India Muslim Personal Law Board has criticizing the amendment and attempt to change change the Waqf Bill, but they didn't succeed. They try to meet many peoples in ruling parties, but they have failed to convincing. Work Amendment Bill introduced in Lok Sabha purpose significant changes of governance and management of work properties in India. ये एक्ट से रूल होता है वर्क अमेंडमेंट ऑफ 1995 aiming to enhance transparency, accountability and efficiency in administration of work property to addressing long-standing issues. Work property, a property donated by Muslim, और एक बार प्रॉपर्टी दे देता है तो फिर रिटर्निंग की कोई गुंजाइश नहीं होती. दे हैव कंसिडर टू बिलोंग, दिस प्रॉपर्टी हैज बिलोंग टू गॉड. तो ये और वक्फ बोर्ड भारत में रेलवे और डिफेंस के बाद तीसरा सबसे बड़ा लैंड होल्डर है अभी तक. वक्फ बोर्ड कैन एस्टेब्लिश्ड थ्रू रिटन डीड, legal instrument or orally. Origin concept of Waqf is early days of Delhi Sultanate. Waqf Act 1995, management and administration of Waqf property in India, established a central Waqf council to advise on Waqf matter. Require each state to establish Waqf board for managing and administrative Waqf properties, resolving Waqf properties disputes. Waqf Amendment Bill to enhance the management of Waqf properties. Government properties identified as Waqf will be reverted as state ownership. District collector will be determine the ownership of dispute प्रॉपर्टी. अभी ऐसा कुछ भी प्रोविजन नहीं था. वक्फ सर्वे कलेक्टर कंडक्ट द वक्फ सर्वे. वक्फ बोर्ड स्टेट गवर्नमेंट विल अपॉइंट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव of two non-Muslims and members from Shia and Sunni backward Muslim communities. Women representation remains mandatory. सबसे बड़ी यहीं पर इसी को लेकर के हो रहा है कि वक्फ बोर्ड में स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का इंटरफेरेंस बढ़ जाएगा. अपील ट्रिब्यूनल डिसीजंस कैन बी अपील्ड इन हाई कोर्ट विद इन 90 days. सेपरेट वक्फ बोर्ड फॉर बोहरा एंड आगा कहानी सेक्ट. सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ अमेंडमेंट बिल 2024. ट्रांसपेरेंसी एंड अकाउंटेबिलिटी लाएगा. इंट्रोड्यूस द स्ट्रिक्ट फाइन. impose use of technology to improve record keeping and reduce bureaucratic hurdle. Addressing historical issues like अभी काशी में कुछ दिन पहले हुआ था. संभल में हिंसा हुई है. कभी वो अगर सब tackle corruptions. Work Amendment Bill in 2024 criticism increased government control such as state authorities and district collector. ये तो कुछ है नहीं. lacking adequate constitutional lacking adequate consultation with Muslim stakeholder, potential having to increase dispute कम करने के लिए है तो बिल में अमेंडमेंट किया जा रहा है. Concern over non-Muslim representation because they have lack of knowledge of Islamic law and tradition. In India, there are a lot of lawyers belonging to Hindu and other communities have practice it in Supreme Court. Maybe lower courts have enough knowledge to Islamic laws and Parsi laws and marriage laws. How can they didn't know the Islamic didn't knowledge the Islamic laws. Landslide. It, in Maharashtra has facing recently a landslide. There is a small article on landslide. Landslide is a movement of rock, soil, and other debris down due to gravity's Geographical Survey of India. Nearly 20 12% of land area of our country is prone to landslide. The Himalayas are basically prone to the landslide. Sudden heavy rain. 73% of landslide in Himalaya region attribute to heavy rain. Himalayas sites we can consider the Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh. These regions belonging to Himalayas region. Rudraprayag and Tehri Garhwal of Uttarakhand are most landslide prone district in countries according to satellite data by ISRO. Natural cause gravity, primary reason for landslide, increase in precipitations, climate change, earthquake, weathering makes rock weak. रॉक वीक होगा तो टूटने की they can broke easily and having broken easily they can slide down. Erosion of soil, volcanic eruption can trigger landslide. Man-made mining, blasting techniques can explode landslide. Unstable terrain. In Uttarakhand, we can take a example of Uttarakhand Chardham Yatra. Chardham Yatra basically Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath और बद्रीनाथ. They have developed a huge road. They can lead the landslide. Step taken by government guideline from and NDMA released the guideline of management the landslide and snow avalanches. Another another aspect of government has conducted to survey. Thank you. I'm sorry my laptop has not working, then I have stopped here recording. I will taking this lecture in next class next day. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel.